Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace your engine air filter. This is a simple maintenance task that can significantly improve your vehicle's performance. Before we begin, make sure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is set. You will need a new engine air filter, a ratchet, and a 10mm socket to complete this job. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's get started by locating the engine airbox. It's usually a large black box found on the passenger side of your engine bay. Using your ratchet and 10mm socket, loosen the 6 screws on the airbox cover. Remember, these screws are designed to stay attached, so just loosen them. Once loose, gently lift the cover and pull out the old air filter. Take a moment to clean out any leaves or debris from the airbox before proceeding. With the airbox clean, it's time to install your new engine air filter. Carefully place the new filter into the airbox, making sure its foam sealing edges are seated correctly all around. This ensures a proper seal. Next, align the airbox cover and gently lower it back into place over the filter. Finally, hand tighten the 6 10mm screws in a clockwise direction until they are snug. Avoid over-tightening them. Replacing your engine air filter offers several important benefits. A clean filter ensures optimal airflow, which can improve your vehicle's fuel efficiency and overall engine performance. It also helps reduce harmful emissions and significantly prolongs your engine's life by preventing dirt and debris from entering vital components. We recommend changing your air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or as specified in your vehicle's owner's manual. For best results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.